Hi guys, I'm Keval Parmar and welcome to my channel Been That Drone That. I know it's quite some time. I shifted to Bangalore and there was some time off that we took, and as if you have seen my last video, you know that I lost my drone in Kurg in the month of December. But now we are back on road and this is our first trip in 2021. We are going to Chikmangalur, but the most important thing that we have over here is that yes, I've got my new drone and I'm really excited about it. I just bought it last week, and it's like I've not tried it much, so it's like just while buying it I tried some basic things just to check whether the drone is flying perfectly or not. So I had to take it for a ride and we just thought that why not have our first weekend that way. So we are en route to Chikmangalur right now from Bangalore, and we wanted to try our drone. We wanted to have a long drive in the sense, and we realized that on the road to Chikmangalur we get quite a few historical places. And as you can see behind me, we are at ShravanBela temple, which is known for the huge Bahubali statue out here in south. A lot of people in south apparently know about this place. It's very historic, it has some journey out there. And the thing is that I'm sitting here and vlogging this thing because the photography inside the premises are not allowed. Even drone flying is not allowed. But I wanted to take the shot of that thing. So I'm gonna try flying from here. Let's see if I'm able to capture a few shots and let's see how the drone goes. I was so scared to fly it over a water body after the last incident, but yeah, it's a good drone. It's a good drone. It's a good buy. I'm happy with it. So our next step on the way to Chikmangalur is in Belur, and we are here at the Channakeshwara Temple, which is also famously known as Belur Madh, which is also a UNESCO heritage site. And the weather over here has become quite nice now. It was very sunny while we were at Bahubali Temple place. Now it has become quite pleasant and windy as well. So let's see, let's go inside and try to check how the place looks like. There's something about temples and the vibe around some temples, right? मतलब वो you feel good.
Yeah, peaceful लगता है ना काफी.
हाँ. So after we came here, we just crashed and we had no energy to do anything else. So I just thought that I'll stop the recording for the day and I won't be recording further. But when we came down here for the dinner setup, I just couldn't resist myself, and I have to show you guys how this place is made up. There's an excellent setup done by the owner over here. It looks like as of now it's just us who are there in the property, and maybe after a day or two few people might join in. We are here for 2 more nights, so we look forward to explore the place. It's kind of a perfect evening setup over here that you see, and very well lit and very well managed and very well maintained as such. So yeah, let's see.
ये बराबर नहीं आया, अब इसको बोल रहे वापस से जाओ, फिर से चल के आओ, एकदम फालतू का चल रहे हो। ये वाला बेस्ट है, शिट सही, ये बेस्ट है। मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है दोनों में से कोई एक तो क्रू आके मेरे को मारेगा या मुझसे मेरा कैमरा ले लेगा।